Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to share notes to only close friends on Instagram. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Step 2. Click on the plane icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the direct messages section. Step 3. Tap Note at the bottom of the screen. This will open a new window where you can enter a note of up to 60 characters. You can also add music to your notes by tapping the music icon at the top. You can choose from a variety of songs and genres or search for your favorite tune. Step 4. Select to share your note with followers you follow back or your close friends. You can toggle between these two options by tapping the button at the top. If you want to share your notes with your close friends, make sure you have added them to your list beforehand. You can do this by going to your profile, tapping the menu icon, and selecting Close Friends. Step 5. Tap Share to send your note. Your note will appear as a sticker on your friends' direct messages. They can tap on it to see the full message and listen to the music. They can also reply to your note with their own note, emoji, or text. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.